Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Hisam Academy with Sumul Rizvi. In today's video, I am going to share my experience of visiting a mall. But this is not just a story. We are also going to learn and practice basic English conversation expressions that you can use when you go shopping, eat at a food court, or talk to your friends at the mall. So, what are we doing exactly? In this video, I'll walk you through my day at the mall, from planning the trip to shopping, ordering food, and finally coming back home. That would be a lot of fun and learning at the same time. And surprisingly, along the way, I will point out simple and useful English sentences you can use in real life. Now, the first question is, why is this helpful? Because when you learn English, it's important not just to study grammar but also to practice real conversations. Many learners know English language but feel nervous when speaking in shops or public places. What can you do while watching? You can repeat the expressions after me. I will say each important phrase clearly and then pause so you can say it out loud. Feel free to pause the video and practice. You can even write down the expressions and try them later with a friend or in your English class. Alright, so by the end of this video, you will know what to say at the mall in English and how to ask for things politely and even how to talk to your friends as well. Alright, are you ready? Let's begin. Last weekend, I decided to go to the mall. I wanted to buy some clothes and have lunch with my friends. Repeat. I called my friend and said, "Hey, I am going to the mall. Want to join me?" She said yes. So we planned to meet there at 11 a.m. Repeat. Now let's learn some useful expressions. If you are going to mall, so you can say, I am going to the mall. Repeat. Invite her by saying, do you want to come with me? Repeat. If she asks you, why are you going to mall? So you can say, I need to buy some clothes. Repeat. If she agrees to meet you, so you can say, let's meet at the mall. Repeat. Let's resume. When I arrived, the mall was busy. Many people were shopping. I met my friend at the entrance. We greeted each other. Repeat. I said to her, "Hi, good to see you. Let's go inside. I want to check out the new clothing store." Repeat. Now some useful expressions. When you meet your friend, so you can say, "Hi, good to see you." Repeat. If you want to ask her, how are you? So you can say, how have you been? Repeat. If you want to explore the mall with her, so you can say, come on, let's go inside. Repeat. Let's resume. We went to clothing store. I saw some jackets and jeans. I liked one jacket. Repeat. So I asked the shop assistant, "Excuse me, how much is this? Do you have this in medium size? Can I try this on?" Repeat. The assistant was friendly. She said, "Sure, the fitting room is over there." I tried it on and said, "It fits well," so I bought it. Repeat. Now, some more expressions to learn. If you are not in the mood to buy but just looking, so you can say, "I am just looking. Thank you." Repeat. If you want to try on your clothes, so you can say, "Where's the fitting room?" Repeat. When you finally make up your mind that you will buy that dress, so you can say, "I'll take it." Repeat. Let's resume. After shopping, we felt hungry. We went to the food court. Repeat. I asked my friend, "What do you want to eat?" She said, "Let's have pizza." We ordered 2 slices and drinks. Repeat. I said, "Can I have a slice of pepperoni pizza and a cola, please?" The cashier said, "Sure, that will be $7." Repeat. We ate and talked for a while. It was a nice break. Repeat. Some more expressions to learn. If you want to ask your friend what does she want to eat, so you can ask, "What would you like to eat?" Repeat. For example, if your friend says she want to have burger, so she can say, "I will have a burger, please." Repeat. And for example, she wants to have a drink with that too, so she can say, "Can I get a drink with that?" Repeat. After lunch, we walked around the mall. We looked at the shoe store and the electronics shop. Repeat. My friend wanted to buy new headphones. She asked the staff, "Do you have wireless headphones? Can I see that model? Is there a discount?" Repeat. We didn't buy anything else, but we enjoyed browsing. Repeat. It was a great visit. We had fun shopping and eating. Repeat. Before we left, I said, "Let's take a selfie." We took a photo and said goodbye. Repeat. Some useful expressions to learn. When you are saying goodbye to your friend, so you can say, "I had a great time today." Repeat. Or you can say to her, "See you next time." Repeat. And finally, you can say, "Take care." Repeat. So that was my visit to the mall. I hope you enjoyed the story and learned some useful English expressions. Try to repeat these phrases and practice with your friends or in front of a mirror. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments what do you usually do when you visit a mall. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.